Chemene chinse au imejorongo Africa omugavana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae engati ya baraibaikira na senseme Ongwae ka okwanna cross county ya Kisumu nigati ya bune mechemene ne bwente koligeli wana gokini wasoko nyora magenda isene asokuru bokoreri ase emichiyo nigo chinga ke Ongwae nyara gotoke serikali chichi county ya chaka ase ense ya Kenya asate berone chichi serikali chichi county nigo cherero gokina kwa bwango ase emechi anasi chichi county kunyara we Kenya na gotwara magendero amange.
In 2016, the policy envisions a secure, well-governed, competitive and sustainable urban areas. The policy is crucial in ensuring the country remains in the path of implementation of SDG on making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. Further, to implement the commitments of the African Agenda up to 2063. Your Excellencies, let me now turn to issues that relate to our subnational government. Kenya adopted a new constitution in 2010, which created a devolved system of government comprising national government and 47 county governments. With a devolved system of governance, Kenya has experienced positive economic growth and development across the country. In Kenya, county governments play an integral role in the urban agenda, as they are charged with managing urban areas and cities. Further, county governments are the generators of spatial plans,